All right. This time we're gonna play Chess Valley with the uttermost sincere concentration powers. We're gonna beat all 50 stages. This first one's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's go. Let's go. Bring it. Bring it. Not messing around anymore. No more tears. No more mishaps. No more mistakes. We're gonna go around you and break through. Break on through to the other side. Okay, this is not even serious. Why is this so easy? Why am I not struggling? Because we're gonna beat this game today. There's no struggling when you are. Hold on a second here. I want to be the Grand Master. What do you call this game again? Wow, look at that. I'm just acing these stages. See? Oh yeah, pumped up. That's the first time I saw a queen on the board. What is this? You can't have a queen on the board. Oh, hey, he's blocked over here. These pieces look nice though. They have like an aged look to them. I want real chess pieces that look like this, like marble or something, eh? Okay, no more talking. This is serious. Don't step on that square. Hug the knight. That's the secret to the knights. You got to give them a hug. Little pet horses. I see you, bishop. Okay. I'm getting more bold, man. I'm just being aggressive here as I slow down. All right, so the white is a trap up ahead. I see that bishop over there. And as long as I play this right, I never lose. Yeah. Come on, man. It's looking good. Hug the knight. Oh, I hate this one. I remember this one. Okay. You just got to get close to the knights, but not too close. Right? I have to go down here. Oh, my brain is sweating drops of pawns or something. Okay, go around. Straight up. Oh, yeah, come on now. Come on now. My brain is dripping pawns. Okay. How do I get past those guys? I'm going to go around the first pawn. No. Oh, what? Can't. No. I need to go here. Why does this hurt my brain so much? Okay, I can go one more over. No, what? I don't see it. So he's on a black square. Oh, why is this one? Oh, come on, I was doing so good, man. I'm yelling. Calm down, calm down. Calm down. You guys see it? Ah. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it was that easy. Thinking too much, man. Thinking too much. This ain't your tic-tac-toe game, man. This is real. This is armies. This is life and death. Don't step on the white square. Don't step on the white square. You have to go around this guy because he's got a buddy over there. Ooh, we're gonna make it to level 50 very soon. Let's go. Wait. Is that a bishop? Okay, pawn. Just go straight up. Straight up. So for that guy, he's blocking the way. So we'll just slowly take our time and waddle back over here. Oh, I'm having a flashback. Man, that looks so pretty. The marble chest. I need a marble chest set, for real. Oh, don't go on that square. Give the horsey a huggy, and we are through. All right. Bam! Level complete. I haven't made it this far, and I have all my lives. Mark it down in history. We're going all the way. All the way, man. We are not stopping. There wasn't any bishops, right? Oh, yeah! Stage 12, all of our lives. Just had to take a quick break and come back and with fresh eyeballs. I see that rook over there. And I can't get through there. I can get through over here, though. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at us. Home free. Come on, every stage. We're going to beat the game today. Oh, this is going to be awesome. This is going to feel good. Damn. Down, boy. That was a controller glitch. The PS4 controller is not good. Holy cow. Take a breathing break. All right, let's go back. Let's get back into the action. He is blocking. Oh man, I feel it now. I'm feeling it. I'm like an Olympic chess player now. Beginner level 15. I got a pop-up. Come on now. Easy peasy. Oh, don't step on the black. So we're gonna have to zigzag until we are safe. Gotta go around this guy. Oh my gosh, I am feeling it. Feeling the victory! Come on, stage 6. Why is there 4 squares? Oh, it shows you the moves. Okay. Clever. Oh my gosh, okay. Don't step on any of those squares. Hug the knights. What? Yeah, this side. Hug the... I felt that one. Okay, we know how to get to the end. Oh, holy cow, I think my soul just left my body again. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so the white square is off limits. Down, boy, down, boy. Well, hello there. Ooh, you got a little bit of a scar. Spear through the heart. But nevertheless, we have survived thus far. Thus far. Can't go that side. That bishop is over there trying to snipe us out. And just waddle along the corner. Woo! A-team. It's the A-team. Good to be back. I'll be a grand master in a couple days. Don't need a couple years. Just gotta play a few games of whatever this game is called. And I can't go that way. Dang it. Alright. No way, that was too easy. What's this game called again? Look at that horsey over there. I gotta remember he's there. Don't touch the white square. Okay. Don't touch the white square, or you will die. Don't touch the white square. We're avoiding the white square. And look at that, stage 20. Oh my gosh. The victory, I feel. The victory. Amateur. We're an amateur now. We ain't no beginner anymore. We have conquered armies many times before. I don't remember what's down there. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me, pawn. Okay, right in the middle. Skadoodle, skadiddle. Let's go. Stage 21, we're almost halfway. Calm down, calm down. No need to get emotional. I'd say it's just a game, but it's much more than that. If you can get through this game, you can get through anything in life. Oh my gosh, would you look at that? The pathway has been made. Guys, honestly, I did not do a tutorial or anything on this. This is just raw brain power. Ooh. Oh, this is getting dangerous though. It's getting kind of hectic. All right, you can't get me from this side. Ooh, slip of the controller. Meant to go forward. Oh, come on, 23. It's timer 63. What is that? 63 seconds, 630 seconds. Just pawns. I love it when there's just pawns. Oh, pride goes before a fall. Last life. Oh, come on, man. We're gonna beat the game today. Come on, man. I can't believe I didn't see that guy. He's hiding up there in the heavens, trying to snipe me out. Okay. Oh, I feel so grieved. I feel so grieved over losing that piece. The queen, I see you, man. I see you. Horsies. Horsies love hugs. Queen is down there, don't forget. Pain. Okay, halfway mark. I'll take it. That is like a major victory. We got amateur level 2. I'm gonna hug the horse. What I mean by I'm just gonna stay close to it so I don't die. He's not gonna get me, right? Okay. Oh. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, past the halfway. Come on, man. Ooh, bishops, bishops. So yellow. Yellow. The white. Just stay off the white square and you'll make it through here. Alive. Yeah, stay off the white square. You'll make it out alive. Come on, we can still do it. Just don't get crazy and careless. Queen is blocking that aisle. Right? I can do this. I can do this. Holy cow, I'm losing my voice from losing my mind. Brooke over there. Sniper. I see those bishops. I see your bishops. Let's get a little bit closer. No, we can't. Gotta go this way. He's on a black square. Fret not thyself. Stage 29. Let's go. Playing divine. Can't go that way. Can't go that way. Only one way to go. Go around the back. All right. Home free. 20 more stages. Oh my gosh, if we beat the game, what happens? Who knows? It's never been done before. Well, at least on my Steam account. That was a silent burp. My body's flipping out, okay? I lay down my controller. I lay down my controller.